Did you know that walkie-talkies were first used in military operations during World War II? Quite the historical nugget, isn't it? These handy little communication devices, initially designed for the grit and grime of battlefields, have evolved dramatically over the years. Today, you'll see them in use everywhere from bustling event venues to noisy construction sites. They've even found their way into the toy chests of children, sparking imaginative play. It's a transformation story worth telling. Now let's dive into how these fascinating devices actually work. It may surprise you to learn that walkie-talkies are quite simple in terms of their working mechanism. At the heart of these handy devices are four main components: the transmitter, receiver, speaker, and microphone. Let's break it down. When you press the push-to-talk button on your walkie-talkie, your voice is picked up by the microphone. This microphone then converts your voice, which is essentially sound waves, into an electrical signal. This signal is then passed on to the transmitter. The transmitter is the real hero here. It takes this electrical signal and transforms it into radio waves. These radio waves are then broadcasted out into the open, ready to be picked up by another walkie-talkie. And here's where the receiver comes into play. The receiver in the other walkie-talkie catches these radio waves and turns them back into an electrical signal. This signal is then sent to the speaker, which converts it back into sound waves. Voila! Your voice is now coming out of another walkie-talkie, potentially miles away. But wait, there's more. Walkie-talkies also employ channels to facilitate communication. Think of these channels as individual lanes on a highway, keeping the traffic of communication orderly and preventing any collisions of conversations. So that's the magic behind how your voice travels through the air and into another walkie-talkie. But what determines how far your voice can travel using a walkie-talkie? It's all about frequency and range, folks. Frequency is like the highway your voice travels on, and the range is the distance it can cover. Higher frequencies can allow your voice to journey over larger distances, like a sports car zipping down a freeway. But here's the catch. You might need a license for these high-speed chat lanes, so it's a balancing act. And that's how you can chat with someone miles away using just a tiny handheld device. That was a quick dive into the fascinating world of walkie-talkies. We've uncovered the magic behind these handheld wonders, exploring their key components and how they use frequency and range to connect individuals across distances. In this age of advanced technology, walkie-talkies continue to hold their ground, offering a unique and reliable mode of communication. Now here's a question for you. Why do you think walkie-talkies are still in use today despite advancements in technology like smartphones? Share your thoughts in the comments below.